Welcome on a journey that transcends the limitations of our current reality into a future where humanity has evolved into a formidable force in the cosmos. This is a future where our civilization has grown, not just in numbers or technological prowess, but in its ability to harness energy on a scale currently unimaginable. Our story of space exploration begins on a scale that we can comprehend, one that we are on the brink of reaching, a Type 1 civilization. Imagine a society that has perfected the art of harnessing all the energy available on our home planet Earth. We're talking about every gust of wind, every ray of sunlight, every drop of water in our oceans, and the very core of our Earth, used for the benefit of all humankind. This is a civilization that has overcome the challenges of climate change, resource scarcity, and global inequality. It's a world where energy is no longer a source of conflict, but a tool for widespread prosperity. But our journey doesn't stop there. As we look further ahead to the next few thousand years, we encounter a Type 2 civilization. Here, humanity has moved beyond the confines of Earth and mastered the power of the entire solar system. Picture harnessing the energy of our sun, the most potent source of power within our reach. Fast forward a few 100,000 years and we arrive at a Type 3 civilization. This is where we control the energy of an entire galaxy, a concept so grand it defies our current understanding. And finally, in the distant future, we envision a Type 4 civilization. Here we have transcended the physical boundaries of galaxies and harnessed the power of the universe itself. Imagine a civilization that can control the entire planet's energy. That's what we call a Type 1 civilization. But remember, this is just the beginning. Each step we take from here is a leap into a future of limitless possibility. So, what does a Type 1 civilization look like? Well, let's take a dive into the future. Imagine a world not too distant from now where we have mastered the art of harnessing the entire energy of our planet. This is the realm of a Type 1 civilization on the Kardashev scale, a scale that measures a civilization's technological advancement based on the amount of energy they can utilize. To reach this level, we need to be able to control and use all the energy available on our planet, including that generated by Earth itself. Think geothermal, wind, solar, and even the power of our oceans. A Type 1 civilization would have moved beyond fossil fuels and harnessed sustainable and renewable sources of energy, becoming a beacon of efficiency and sustainability. Imagine a world where every building is a power generator, every car runs on clean energy, and every industry operates in harmony with the environment. That's not all. A Type 1 civilization would also have complete control over all aspects of its planet, including the weather. Yes, you heard it right. We would have the ability to manipulate weather systems, to prevent natural disasters, or create optimal climate conditions for agriculture. The transition to a Type 1 civilization is not just about harnessing energy. It's about a cultural shift too. It would require global cooperation, as it's a level of existence where national borders become irrelevant and we function as a single unified entity. Now you might wonder, how long until we reach this stage? Well, according to the predictions by astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev and others, humanity could reach Type 1 status in about 100 to 200 years. That's right, within a couple of centuries, we might be living in a world that today sounds like science fiction. In about 100 to 200 years, we could be harnessing the entire energy of our planet. But why stop there? The cosmos beckons, and there's a whole universe of energy out there waiting for us to tap into. But that, my friends, is a story for another time. Imagine a civilization that could control the energy of an entire star system. Now that's a thought to get your neurons firing, isn't it? This is the realm of a Type 2 civilization on the Kardashev scale. A concept that measures a civilization's level of technological advancement based on the amount of energy they can use. A Type 2 civilization, as we envision it, is one that can harness the entire energy output of its star. This kind of power is beyond anything we can currently fathom, but it's not entirely outside the realm of possibility. To put this into perspective, our sun pumps out roughly 4 million times more energy than the human race currently consumes. To harness all this power, we'd need something like a Dyson sphere, a hypothetical megastructure that completely encompasses a star and captures a large percentage of its power output. This is a gargantuan task, requiring materials and technology we haven't yet dreamed of. We'd need to be able to mine and process resources from across our entire solar system. We'd need to master space travel and colonization, populating our solar system to provide the workforce and living space necessary for such a monumental project. And yet, despite the challenges, the rewards could be incredible. With the energy of an entire star at our disposal, we could power advanced technologies, propel our civilization into new realms of discovery, and potentially even conquer the challenges of interstellar travel. So, when might we reach this level? Well, it's hard to say. If we continue to advance at our current rate, some estimates suggest we might become a Type 2 civilization in around 3,000 to 4,000 years. Of course, this is all speculative. We're still a long way off from becoming a Type 2 civilization. But it's a thought-provoking goal to strive for, a beacon guiding us towards a future where we master not just our planet, but our entire star system. In about 3,000 to 4,000 years, we might be tapping into the energy of our solar system. But the future holds more. What if we could control the energy of an entire galaxy or even the universe? Imagine that. It's a staggering concept, but not entirely beyond the realm of possibility. Let's dive into the details of what it would mean to reach the status of a Type 3 or Type 4 civilization. A Type 3 civilization is one that has mastered the energy of its entire galaxy. This is no small feat. It means harnessing the power of billions of stars, controlling their energy output, and utilizing it for the civilization's needs. This would require a level of technological advancement and energy management far beyond anything we can currently fathom. But if humanity were to continue progressing at its current rate, it's conceivable that we could reach this level in a time frame of 100,000 to 1,000,000 years. Now, if controlling an entire galaxy seems like a grandiose concept, brace yourself for the next level. A Type 4 civilization, a concept that extends beyond the traditional Kardashev scale, would have control over the energy of the entire universe. This is a scale of power that's almost impossible to comprehend. It would mean harnessing the energy of every single galaxy, star, and particle in the universe, bending the fabric of space and time to the civilization's will. Reaching this level would require not just technological advancements, but also a fundamental shift in our understanding of the universe and its laws. It's a level of power that seems almost godlike. But who's to say what's possible? If our current understanding of physics holds true, and if humanity survives long enough to continue advancing, we could potentially reach this level in 1,000,000,000+ years. These are mind-boggling concepts, but they serve to remind us of the incredible potential that lies in the future of space exploration. They remind us that we are just at the beginning of our journey into the cosmos, with unimaginable discoveries and advancements still waiting for us out there. In 1,000,000,000+ years, we could be harnessing the energy of the entire universe, a breathtaking prospect, isn't it? So, that's the grand future of space exploration and civilization. We've journeyed through the potential of future societies, from mastering our planet's energy in 100 to 200 years, becoming a Type 1 civilization. We've looked at how in 3 to 4,000 years, we could harness the power of our entire solar system as a Type 2 civilization. We've imagined the distant future where in 100,000 to 1,000,000 years, we could control an entire galaxy, becoming a Type 3 civilization. And finally, we've dared to dream of what could be in billions of years, a Type 4 civilization controlling the entire universe.